Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be looking at a new gadget I've just bought that helps monitor the oxygen levels in your blood. So this is not something I've ever heard about before, but pulse oximetry is a non-invasive and painless test that measures your oxygen saturation level. Oxygen levels in your blood. Now this is very important if you've got a lung problem. And what this does is it takes your pulse and it has a look at how much oxygen is in your blood, and basically your oxygen saturation level for someone who's normal and healthy should be 95% or above. That's what's considered normal. Once it starts to drop below that, then that's a sign that you need to get help. And this particular person on the telly for the NHS was saying below 95%. A lot of the documentation that comes with this says if you get a level of 92%, that indicates potential hypoxia. In other words, you're not getting enough oxygen into your blood, and that's definitely a time that you should seek medical help. And I think we've all probably had these sort of clips put on our fingers when we've been at the doctors in a hospital. At the back there, you need two little AAA batteries, and then it is pretty simple. It is just clip it on your finger. Now you can see this one is under £10, and since the NHS recommended every home has one, they've sold out in many places. Over here you've got that very important reading that needs to be above 95, but also you can see it's taking my pulse. The red little sharp thing at the bottom is giving you the heartbeat, and you can see that going up and down on the right. But it's very much, it's that figure over 95 on the left, which you need to look at. Top right there is just the battery life. So yes, so this is what you should have now. It doesn't hurt. It seems a great way to get prepared for if you do have to phone for help, and they're trying to distinguish whether you've got a cold or whether you've got a real problem and need to seek medical attention. Then this little machine for less than a tenner seems to be a really good thing to have in your armoury at home. And if you've not got a digital thermometer, then I'd recommend one of those as well, particularly for taking the temperature of children. You just pop it in the ear, and then seconds away you've got a very accurate temperature, rather than the old put it under your arm, put it under your tongue, which is always a bit fraught and definitely is with children. Anyway, links all below. Hope you find that useful. Follow all the rules, stay safe. The vaccines are on the horizon and are hopefully going to come and give us some element of normality. But in the meanwhile, these are a couple of very useful things to have at home in your defence armoury to the dreaded COVID. So please like, share and subscribe, and come back every week for a little bit more information here on my channel.